Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and for this vlog I'm gonna show you how I clean my brushes. So I only use the items that are already here at home, and for this vlog I'm gonna use the makeup brushes from Ann Klutz, which is this Ann Klutz basic makeup brushes. This vlog is not sponsored by Ann Klutz or their product line. This is just the new brushes that I've been using for almost a month now. And as you can see, some of it, they are already used. Some of it looks clean, but actually they are a bit dusty. So I need to clean them now. Okay, so that's it guys. Just keep on watching and I hope this vlog will help you. Okay guys, so we are now here sa aming dining area and this is the only table, so please ignore the other things on our table. So I have here the brushes and then I have here the makeup cleaner and our makeup remover, so this one, and then I have here water with diluted conditioner, so hindi ko talaga siya na dilute, and then another clean water, and then the towel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a step-by-step thing that I do when I clean up my brushes. Okay guys, so we will start. So I will start first with removing the makeup products dito sa brush by dipping it dito sa makeup remover. So ito siya. So I just continuously rub it here. So, ayan. Dip nyo lang siya. Ayan. And I hope you can see it clearly. Pero naging pinkish na yung makeup remover. So, it means natatanggal yung mga residue ng makeup. Okay. So, ito siya. Okay. And after that, medyo konting diin-diin lang sa gilid para matanggal yung para mapigay yung makeup remover from the brushes. Next thing is this one. So, sumunin natin to. This one, yung next na bowl which have the diluted conditioner sa water. So, just continuously dip it. Tapos, ikot nyo lang siya. Ikot-ikot lang. Round motion and circular motion pala. Sorry. Ayan. Tapos, as you can see, ayan, wala na yung product. So, ganyan lang din yung ginagawa ko. And then, ang ano lang dito guys, hindi na siya magiging kasing white nung dati pa siya. Pero, I am sure naman na lahat ng residue ng makeup, dust, and everything natanggal siya. Okay. After that, so I will take the other bowl and then dito ko naman siya babanlawan. So, dinidip ko lang. And then dito ko na ginagamit yung kamay ko para bigaan. If you're wondering, bakit hindi ko binabagsak ng isang buo yung brush sa water, it's because nagkaroon ako ng experience before guys, na pag nababasa kasi talaga yung buong brush, lumalambot talaga siya. I think it's normal naman kahit anong makeup brush ang gamitin mo, may tendency siyang masira kagad. Kaya, I look for ways para ma-prevent yung ganun. So, ito yung isang way ko, which is yung, ito lang yung mababasa. Para yung water, hindi magta-travel all the way down dito sa handle. Ito kasing handle, kahoy lang siya. And then yung nagdidikit dito, for sure glue. Glue lang na may tendency talagang matanggal. Okay. Yan. Now, ito na siya. And then, I have here prepared a towel. Ko lang ha. So, ito yung towel. Ang ginawa ko, ni-roll ko yung isang section ng paganito para para pag nagpatuyo ako, ganito gagawin ko. Ayan. As you can see guys, nakataas yung handle pa rin, tapos yung brush lang yung nasa baba. Bakit? Para yun nga, maiwasan ko na yung fluid or yung water mag-travel all the way down dito sa handle. Ang mangyayari nito ngayon, yung water, magdo-drop siya pababa. So, palabas, dito, and ganyan. Okay, ini-absorb na lang siya ng towel, lahat ng water or yung excess fluid na nakuha natin all the way dun sa paglilinis natin ng brush. Okay, so, ganun yung gagawin ko, guys, for the entire brushes. So, balik ko lang po. Okay, now, I'm gonna do it. Lovely. So, I'm done cleaning up my brushes. So, that's how simple I do cleaning. I know if meron kayong makeup remover, conditioner, water, towel, if you have all those things, kayang-kaya nyong gawin it on your own. And for this vlog, I decided to put up a giveaway. So, itong giveaway na to, I will put this in. This will be an Instagram giveaway. So, one lucky winner will receive a new set of Ann Coots brushes. All you have to do is go to Instagram, look for my Instagram handler, I am Super Suzie, follow me, and then look for the promotional photo. Then, comment, I want this. And then, also, don't forget to like the photo. So, that's it guys. If the mechanics is a bit, hindi siya ganun kalinaw because of the noise, I will leave all the step-by-step mechanics sa description box below. So that's it guys. This giveaway will run until September 25. And then, one lucky winner, the winner will be announced on September 30 on Instagram. So, always check Instagram para malaman nyo if you are the lucky winner. Okay guys, so thank you so much for keeping up with this vlog. I know it's been a bit crazy, but still thank you so much. And I hope that you learned something from this vlog and you also enjoyed it. So that's it guys, see you on my next vlog and God bless you all.